Hey, ¿qué pasó, mi amigos? How's it going? It is the Boredom Report, and today we are in El Salvador. I know I may look like a panda sitting on a unicycle, but we're about to have some fun. Woo! Let's do this! Well, you never know when it's gonna rain in El Salvador. Got myself a little water and checking out the rain. So the storm is done. Made it up here in the hills. Check this out. We are in Chiquinaco, getting a little grub, meeting up with the only gringo in town too. That's Joe Coffee right there. Super cool. I found Salvadoran Nesquik. Man, that was such a good time. If you get a chance and you're here in El Salvador, hop on a scooter and go for a little ride. I promise you, you won't be disappointed. We'll catch you guys soon. Hasta!